The dinosaurs did not have a space program. That's why they're not here today. My name is Professor Michio Kaku. I'm a professor of theoretical physics at the City College and the City University of New York. We've been around the Earth only 100,000 years, a blink of an eye, while the dinosaurs were around for much longer and they perished. We need a space program as an insurance policy. Now that doesn't mean moving the entire Earth to Mars, but it does mean that we should invest some time and effort to create a settlement on Mars. And why? Won't it bankrupt the world? No. Costs have been dropping dramatically in the last decades, to the point where a developing nation like India successfully sent a probe all the way to Mars. It's possible that developing nations, China, India, they've all set their sights into outer space because of the dropping cost of space travel. And now, private enterprise has entered the picture. Elon Musk has sent the Falcon Heavy rocket into space. It's a moon rocket. Think of it, a private investor using not a dime of taxpayers' money on his own financed the shooting of a moon rocket into outer space. We could even have a traffic jam over Mars. We have NASA with the SLS booster rocket, funded by taxpayers' money. We have the Falcon Heavy, sponsored by Elon Musk of SpaceX, that is, private finances. And then we have Amazon.com. Jeff Bezos wants to create an Amazon system to the moon, and then perhaps eventually to Mars. Going to Mars is not going to be easy. Mars is very cold. It's a frozen desert. Its atmospheric pressure is only 1% that of the planet Earth, but there are ideas about terraforming Mars. Think, for example, of putting solar mirrors into outer space that beam sunlight onto the polar ice caps. Mars has plenty of water. It's frozen. So if we could begin the process of unfreezing it by solar satellites beaming the energy to the ice caps, then water could flow on the surface of Mars for the first time in perhaps 3 billion years. And then genetically modified algae and plants could thrive in this environment. Plants love carbon dioxide, and that's what the atmosphere of Mars is made out of, carbon dioxide. And so with genetically modified plants that could grow into this harsh environment, we may be able to create an agriculture, topsoil, agribusiness. In other words, a self-sustaining colony in outer space so that we don't go the way of the dinosaurs.